everyone, welcome back to Quadro 143. My name is Bijon and today I will show you simple Procreate tutorial which is perfect for beginners. I will draw a chili illustration step-by-step process. So please watch till the end and I'm going to use just one brush. And it's an easy process. So let's get started. So first I have to sketch. So let me sketch. It's a like roughly sketch. You can do it easily with like a Procreate pencil. Like from the sketching, you can check it out. There is a like a pencil which is called Procreate pencil. You can just draw with this pencil, and you can use the black color. If you want to use a different color, you can use it. Just roughly you have to just sketches, because the main things I'm going to do with the like a different brush. As I told you, I'm going to use one brush, but this is just for the drawing purpose. Okay, so forget about the drawing. Now I'm going to create another layer using the Baskerville brush, which is this is the only brush I'm going to use it. I'm not going to use any other brush. So let me do the first color. So as I told you, I'm going to use the dark color first. So let me do the darkest position, like where I'm just going to make the dark side. So like a lower portion, I'm going to do the dark side, and till the like a lower portion, and above that a little bit lighter. Like this way I'm going to do it. First I'm going to do the upper portion of this chili, which is a dark green, a little bit light green, and extremely light green. These three colors I'm going to use for that. So let me do the dark color, and you know that like this kind of drawing you have to do it. Try to make a different layer for different color. That's the easiest way to draw. And if you are a beginner, this is perfect video for you. Please watch till the end. Anyone can draw this kind of painting. So either you are artist or you are beginner, doesn't matter. If you have an iPad or tablet, using Procreate or any other application, doesn't matter that you need to use the use Procreate or any like this specific things. So you can use it any application. If you are going to use it Procreate, then you can check it out the way I'm doing it. So I hope you can check. I have already used three colors I'm using right now. So this is the way you can do it. And if you want to draw, like see, I have like used 1 2 3 4 colors, and 4 layers I have already created for that. So it's, as I told you, like for a different color you have to use a different layers. That's the easiest process to to start digital art. So if you are like a beginners, as I told you, like if you are going to draw anything in Procreate in first time, so try to use these methods. This is the easiest way. So if you can check properly, I hope you can check the illustration is completed, the upper portion. Now I'm going to do the lower portion now. Just for lighting you can do it, but I don't think it's good. It's not looking good. So you can just do the little bit dark color. On the same color you can do it. The white one I have to remove. I think it's not good. It's not properly. I'm going to just little bit white over here. You can do it accordingly. If you just zoom in and zoom out, you can check it out how it's look good or not. You can check it out. Now I'm going to use another layer, or else you can use the same layer where you have used the dark color. So I'm not going to use that much of layer. I'm going to use the dark color layer. So this is the layer I'm going to use, a different color, which is dark brown, because I'm going to use different kind of color. As I told you, like the lower portion is a dark, and the upper portion I'm going to use a little bit lighter color. So I hope you can check. Still it's look good. It's a simple and easiest way. You can do it within 5 to 6 minutes. Trust me, just follow the instruction. You can do it easily. Anyone can do it. Anyone. See, as I told you, like I am not going to use a different brush. I'm still using one brush. Color, I'm going to use a different color. Now check if I'm going to fill up this one. It's the illustration, chili illustration. It's amazing. Like this way you can draw any objects. Like just do it. Grab your iPad or tablet. Just do it. That's it. See, I have already make it. How like it will. It's not even like 5 minutes over, and it's already done. So you can try to do it at 2 to 3 minutes. If you are faster, then you can do it within 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. And if you want to do something like if you are going to do it the background things, you can do it just to make it, you know, attractive. Like this kind of method, if you can use it, you can use it properly. Anything you can draw like this. So thank you so much for watching this video, and share your artwork with me, and do let me know in the comment section. If you like my tutorial video, please do subscribe and share with your family. And if you want to learn advanced digital art or Procreate tutorial, please check my other videos. I have uploaded more than 500 videos in my channel. I hope you will like those videos. Okay, thank you once again. We'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.